Enjoy 1 hour of free public Wi-Fi per day every Fiji.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and Mula Vinaka. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this official launch of the Wi-Fi, free internet Wi-Fi hotspot here in Nausori. I want to have a special welcome for the students who are here, and I'd like to mention the names of the schools who have kindly availed the students to be here today. Nausori District School, Sila Central High School, Kunimono Area School, Dilkusha Methodist High School, Lalit Memorial School, Vudi Methodist Primary School, Kunimono High School, Nausori Primary School, and Dilkusha Girls School. So ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our students, please. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Fijian government and Walesi, we welcome you all here. It gives me great pleasure to be here. The Wi-Fi hotspot launch is a Fijian government initiative under its digital Fiji platform to make free Wi-Fi hotspots available at public places throughout Fiji. We have already launched a number of Wi-Fi hotspots throughout Fiji in various municipalities, in Suva, Singatoka, Nandi, Notoka, Ba, Nausori, Lambasa, and Savusavu. So, ladies and gentlemen, this Wi-Fi hotspot will allow you to access free internet for at least an hour, free of charge, and you can of course make full advantage, full use of that. It is available for you. It is a government initiative. Government has spent a lot of money. The Fijian government has spent a lot of money to connect all Fijians to the internet. So I invite you all from Nausori to make full use of the Wi-Fi hotspot here. You can of course use this to access internet, whether it is social networking, whether it is research for students, whether it is to access information, whether it is videos, music, etc. This is free internet for you. It is high-speed internet, and I invite you all to enjoy this initiative that government has brought about for you. Ladies and gentlemen, the initiative, the Wi-Fi high-speed internet initiative under the Fijian government's digital Fiji platform is rolled out by Walesi. I'll give a brief introduction of Walesi. Walesi is a wholly owned government company that has been given the responsibility of introducing in Fiji digital television. So we now have digital television from late last year. We have digital television rolled out for every corner of Fiji, including the rural and maritime areas. You can access up to 8 channels on the Walesi digital platform. All you need is a set-top box and an antenna. And in places which are remote, where antenna access is not available, Walesi also has satellite dishes available for you so that you can all enjoy free digital television in your homes. The Walesi initiative is also now available on your phones. You can, earlier this year, government launched Walesi on its OTT platform. So if you have a smartphone, then you can access all the free channels, all the free television channels on your phone, and it is available live. So if you are out of your home, if you are not in front of a television, if you have a smartphone, you can easily watch Walesi on your phones. So these are some of the initiatives that the Fijian government through Walesi has been bringing about for you, ladies and gentlemen, and I invite you all to make full use of the initiative. so that you are able to access television as well as access internet here in this free Wi-Fi hotspot. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, it gives me great pleasure to officially open the Wi-Fi, officially launch the Wi-Fi hotspot here in Nausori in Syria Park. And I invite you all to enjoy that day today. I know the weather is not quite with us, but we have great entertainment for the kids. We have the police band here as well. So please please enjoy the day. We also have the Walesi team here today. So if you have a set-top box, if you have already acquired a set-top box, and if you're having any technical issues, the Walesi technical team is here today to assist you fully in order to ensure that you have access to television. If you still haven't obtained a box, there are two ways in which you can obtain it. If your annual household income is below 30,000, then you can get a box for free. And the Walesi team, just on the tent on the other side, they are here. All you have to do is fill a form and provide your identification card, and you can get a set-top box for free. If, of course, your income is over 30,000, then you can buy a set-top box from any of the major retail outlets, and I think the price is about $90. So, ladies and gentlemen, we want you to take full advantage of the technical team that is here today, the Walesi team. Please visit them. Please get hold of a set-top box if you're eligible. Please talk to them if for some reason you have a box and you are unable to use it, or if there are some technical issues, they are here to assist you. As well as if you are having problems in accessing Walesi on the Walesi television on your smartphones, they are here to assist you and help you to connect you to the Walesi app. So ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, I once again thank you very much for coming, and we will now proceed to the video demonstration on how you can log on to the free Wi-Fi here, as well as distributing the free prizes that we have for you here today. So once again, Vinaka Vakalegu, ladies and gentlemen, and we will now have the demo of the Wi-Fi app. Vinaka.
Oh, congratulations, Grace. Congratulations, let's mess you up in. You can be the next person to be with them. Congratulations, Anisha. Sexy t-shirt. Round of applause, everybody. He's rocking over the J1 mini phone. I started back at 50 right now. Congratulations, Studio.
Big round of applause, please.
Big round of applause, everybody.